In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build a GoDaddy website in just 5 minutes. Whether you're starting a new business, launching a blog, or setting up an online portfolio, using GoDaddy's website builder is an easy and efficient way to get online quickly. Let's dive right into the process and get your site up and running. First things first, head over to the GoDaddy website and initiate their free trial. This trial gives you the flexibility to explore their features and see if it suits your needs without any initial investment. Once you're on the site, look for the option to start a free trial and follow the prompts to sign up. This step is essential as it sets up the foundation for your website building journey. Next, you'll need to define the goals of your website. GoDaddy makes this step simple by providing options aligned with common website purposes, such as selling products, booking appointments, or merely sharing information. Think about what's most important for your site. Is it an e-commerce platform or an informational site? By selecting the right purpose, you ensure that the site is tailored to your specific needs. Choosing the right template is a crucial step. GoDaddy offers a range of templates designed to match different industries and website goals. Look through the options available and select one that not only aligns with your personal style, but also meets the goals you set previously. The template serves as the design backbone of your site, so take a moment to pick one that resonates with what you envision your website to look like. Now that you have your template, it's time to populate it with content. This is where your creativity comes into play. Add your text, ensuring it reflects your brand's voice and message. Upload images that showcase your products or services, and don't forget your logo and any other key branding elements. Customization is key here. GoDaddy's platform is flexible, so feel free to adjust colors, fonts, and layouts to make the site truly your own. This stage is about making the template feel unique and connected to your brand. Before you hit publish, it's important to preview your website. GoDaddy allows you to see how your site looks on different devices like tablets and smartphones. This step is vital because you want to ensure your site is responsive and looks great no matter where it's being viewed. Once you're satisfied with how everything looks, it's time to publish it online. Clicking that publish button makes your website live for the world to see. With your site published, you can now share your new online presence with your audience. And there you have it. In just a few simple steps, we've created a functional and attractive website using GoDaddy's website builder. Thanks for tuning in, and I hope this tutorial has empowered you to bring your ideas to life on the web.